Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Anissa. I am from Group 11. Well, in this video, I will continue explain our material about history of children language. Well, before that, before we know how to acquire language in children, we must know what is language acquisition. So, in general, the meaning of language acquisition is the human process of gaining the ability to capture, produce, and use words for understanding and communication. And then, language acquisition usually refers to the acquisition of a first language that examines a child's acquisition of their mother tongue, and not a second language acquisition that studies the acquisition of additional language by children or adults. Nah, language acquisition adalah proses manusia mendapatkan kemampuan untuk menangkap, menghasilkan, dan menggunakan kata, pemahaman, dan komunikasi. Jadi, pemerolehan bahasa biasanya merujuk pada pemerolehan bahasa pertama yang mengkaji pemerolehan anak terhadap bahasa ibu mereka, dan bukan pemerolehan bahasa kedua yang mengkaji pemerolehan bahasa tambahan oleh anak-anak ataupun orang dewasa. Next, how to acquire language on child. The way children acquire language is divided into three theories, namely the theory of language acquisition behavioristic, nativistic, and cognitivistic. The first, number 1, behavioristic theory, emphasizes the acquisition language in children because it is teaching from the environment and natural surrounding. Brown, 2005. Nah, menurut Brown, teori ini menekankan bahwa pemerolehan bahasa pada anak dikarenakan karena adanya pengajaran dari lingkungan dan alam sekitarnya. And number 2, nativistic theory, Chomsky, 2009, state that the child can obtain the develop language skills because they have what is referred to as innate language faculty, or better known as language acquisition device or LED. Jadi, menurut Chomsky, teori ini menyatakan bahwa anak dapat memperoleh dan mengembangkan keterampilan berbahasa mereka karena mereka memiliki apa yang disebut sebagai fakultas bahasa bawaan, atau yang lebih dikenal dengan Language Acquisition Device or LED. And the last, cognitive theory, views acquisition of language as a result of work mentally and based on capacity cognitive children in finding language structure through the environment, the surroundings. And langsung saja, teori ini memandang bahwa penguasaan bahasa sebagai hasil kerja mental dan berdasarkan kapasitas kognitif pada anak dalam menemukan struktur bahasa melalui lingkungan sekitarnya. Well, in conclusion, language acquisition is the human process of gaining the ability to capture, produce, and use words for understanding and communication. And acquisition of language in children can be studied by research, design longitudinal and cross-section as well, using three methods, namely methods of observation, interviews, and experimental. Then, theoretically and applicable, how to acquire the language on child can be seen in terms of behavioristic, nativistic, and cognitive. Well, I think that's all for me. I do apologize if there are mistakes, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.